Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to check if a number is a palindrome using Python. What is palindrome? A palindrome is a number that looks the same when you read it forwards and backwards. For example, 1 to 1 and 1 to 3 to 1 are palindromes. But 1 to 3 is not a palindrome because it becomes 3 to 1 when you reverse it. By the end of this video, you will know how to write a Python program to check if a number is palindrome. So let's get started. Use the code that checks if a number is a palindrome. Now let's break down the code step by step to see how it works. First, we ask the user to enter a number. We do this with the input function. Since input returns a string, we convert it to an integer using int. We store this number in a variable called num. Then we create a copy of the original number by saving it in a variable called original number. This is important because we need it for comparison later. Then next we create a variable rev and set it to 0. This variable will hold the reversed version of the number as we build it. Then we use a while loop that continues until num becomes 0. Inside this loop we find the last digit of number using num modulus 10 which we store in a variable called remainder. Then we update rev by multiplying it by 10 and adding remainder. This effectively shifts the digits in reverse to the left and adds the last digit of the number. Finally, we update the num with the num divided by 10. This operation removes the last digit from number, allowing us to move to the next digit in the next loop iteration. Once the loop is finished, we compare original num with the reverse. If they are equal, we print that it is a palindrome. If not, we print that it isn't. Now let's run this code with a couple of sample inputs. First I'll enter 1 to 1. The output shows 1 to 1 is a palindrome. As you can see, the program correctly identifies that 1 to 1 is a palindrome. Now let's try entering 1 to 3. The output shows 1 to 3 is not a palindrome. Now let's break down how the code works step by step using the example of 1 to 1. Initially we start with num which is equal to 1 to 1 and keep a original copy of it in original number. So we have original number equal to 1 to 1 as well. Then for first iteration, we want to find the last digit of number. We do this using the modulus operator. Remainder equal to 1 to 1 modulus 10 which gives us 1. This operator finds the remainder. Then next we build our reverse number. Since reverse starts at 0, we calculate reverse equal to 0 into 10 plus 1 which is equal to 1. Now we update the number to remove the last digit. We do this by using integer division. Num equal to 1 to 1 divided by 10 resulting in 12. This operator gives the quotient. This will remove the last number and gives us 12. Then in the second iteration we repeat the process for the new num value which is now 12. Last digit remainder equal to 12 modulus 10 which gives us 2. Then update the reverse number which equals 12. Remove the last digit from num again resulting in 1. Then in the third iteration we process num equal to 1, last digit remainder equal to 1 modulus 10 which gives us 1, update the reverse number which equals 1 to 1. Then remove the last digit from num which results in 0. Now final check. Now that num is 0, we stop the loop. We compare our reversed number which is 1 to 1 with original number which is also 1 to 1. Since they match, we can conclude that 1 to 1 is a palindrome. And that's how you can easily check if a number is a palindrome in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks for watching.